here we're graphing a parabola. It's already handed to us in vertex form. And as I said in the explanation, the idea is that the basic parabola is going to have a vertex at 0, 0, and then be this U-shaped graph on either side. And this is going to basically be that same graph shifted right 1, and then down 5. So normally if this were a normal school year, I'd spend a lot of time getting you guys to realize that what's with the x makes the thing move left to right, and it always goes the opposite of the way you would think. So it's a -1 with the x, that means it's going to go right 1. But the number that's not with the x is always an up or down motion, and it always does exactly what you think it should. So if it's plus, it's up. If it's negative, it's down. So numbers with the x, left, right, opposite. Numbers outside, up, down, what you would think. So what I know is this. I know that the vertex that normally would be at 0, 0 is now going to go 1 to the right and down 5. So that's going to be my vertex point. My vertex will be at 1, -5, ta-ta. And then to find the rest of the points, we are going to go ahead and make a table with that vertex smack dab in the middle. So if I subtract 1, that's 1 less than 1, that's 1 less than that, that's just to the right of 1, that's 1 more than that. As I plug these things in, -1 minus 1, quantity squared minus 5, this becomes 4 minus 5, so that should be -1. If I plug in a 0 minus 1 squared minus 5, that becomes +1 minus 5, that's -4. I should expect to see the same values for 2 and 3. I'll see some symmetry here, but just to make sure my calculations are correct, I'll do the actual math. 2 minus 1 squared minus 5 becomes 1 squared is 1 minus 5 is -4. 3 minus 1 squared minus 5 is 2 squared, which is 4. Minus 5, -1. And I'll plot these points. -1, -1, 0, -4, 2, -4, 3, -1. And then I will tell Alex to draw this beautiful parabola, and it will do a much better job. It will actually hit the points, unlike my silly pen. So hopefully that makes sense. And now the next one, a little more challenging. So we'll see how it goes.